In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide address on Shopify. If you're running a Shopify store from home, or you simply don't want your full business address to appear publicly on your site, this walkthrough will show you how to remove it from your storefront, while still keeping your contact link active. We'll do this entirely from your Shopify admin, and it only takes a couple of minutes. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main admin homepage, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a page with a menu along the left-hand side that controls many of your store's behind-the-scenes options. In that left-hand menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Policies, then click it. The Policies section is where Shopify keeps important legal and informational pages, like your refund policy, privacy policy, and any store contact details that feed into your theme. On this Policies page, look for a section or card labeled Written Policies. Within that card, you should see an item called Contact Information. This is where Shopify pulls the details that can appear on your storefront, including your address. Click on Contact Information, and a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to edit those details. In the pop-up, you'll see fields for your store or business information. Locate the field that contains your store or business address. Carefully select and delete the address from this field. If you prefer, you can leave other contact fields, such as an email address or general contact text, as long as they don't reveal the physical location you want to hide. Once you've removed the address, double-check that there's nothing left in that field that could reveal your location, then look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click the Save button. Shopify will update your contact information settings based on these changes. After saving, your contact information link will still appear in the footer of your store, so customers can still reach out or view your policies. However, your physical address will no longer be displayed there. This is a simple and effective way to keep your store looking professional while protecting your privacy or meeting your business needs.